Hello and welcome back to the Green Workbench. Last year, about this time, I did a video about installing an crushed asphalt driveway. So the spreading and fixing that up. So it's been a year. We've had one full winter. So how did it hold up? Well, it held up much better than what was there before, that's for sure. But like any other type of gravel driveway, we had a pretty wet winter. And because of the wet and the freeze and the thaw, the rocks tend to sink, the dirt tends to come to the top. So by the end of the winter, we were getting some puddles. It wasn't half as muddy as it used to be with just the dirt, but we still got some mud and puddles, especially by the end of the winter. So I wish I had a tool designed or an attachment designed specifically for this purpose. I know Heavy Hitch makes one. I just can't afford it, so I would love to try it out. But I'm going to use my box blade with my tines down, my scarf irons down, and try to basically churn up the dirt and the surface and then even it out. We had rain last week, so even though it looks dry on top, it should still be a little wet underneath, so it shouldn't be too hard to turn. So we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Yeah, we'll see how it works and how easy it is to rehabilitate after one winter. So let's give it a shot. Seems to be working really well. It's going to take a lot of passes though. Okay, so that worked really well. It came up easy, smoothed out easy. If I were to do anything else to this, I would get a roller or something to really pound it down flat, but I don't have one of those, so it might be worth renting. But that's 1 year later. I was able to rehab it pretty quickly and smooth it out with my box blade. And so we're back to where we started last year, which is awesome. So there we have it. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time on the Green Workbench.